Day in my life as the LTK social girl here in LA. As you can see, I was having some trouble picking out my coffee and croissant this morning. Responded to some slacks even though I was blowing out my hair because the grind does not stop. Once hair and makeup was done, I had an outfit change and then I was ready to go. I always feel like such a celeb in my Lululemon LTK backpack because everyone always asks where they can get one. Our first stop of the day was Superba Food and Bread, which actually ended up being closed, so me and some creators headed over to the Great White in Larchmont instead. We enjoyed breakfast with our friends over at the Whaler Agency before heading off to actually the other Great White in WeHo. Here we hosted a brunch with the Be Social Agency and their creators. The vibes in here were absolutely immaculate and we were so grateful we were able to put this together. Also, the food was insane. Our final event was at the rooftop at the Haymat. The views were on point, drinks were flowing, and oh my gosh, look at these swag bags, they were amazing. Day 1 LA was a success. Tune in for part 2.